Hey guys, it's me Arya, and I'm playing Bee Sim. So, it's my first time playing, so I'm just gonna read this. Buttercups are a great place to start. Talk to the bears. You have the bears to quest and to store on, yeah, blah blah blah. Let's go. I am combined with a bee. No, I'm fine. I'm a worker bee. There's this guy. This guy. E. Oh man, this is the best game ever. I already know it. Can I go in full person? I want to go in full person. Full person. Why can't I go in full person? First person, I meant. See, I'm happy. What do you want? I'm gonna rub my face. E. Hello there, little bee. Would you mind getting 5 sweet buttercups for me? No. This is, I think, a buttercup? Oh, first person's V. Well, I'm stupid. This is a daisy. Nope, I can't have a daisy. Dun, 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 dun. See the buttercups. Nom, 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 nom.
Why are you eating that? You have to give them.
Nom, nom, nom. Let me go. I need to go sell. Ding. Now let's go back to the. Let's go back. Nom, nom, yay!
This is a white bear.
Oh wait, am I supposed to? Why you're missing some buttercups? You have 5. This guy's name is Larry. Why is this guy named Larry?
Larry.
Larry.
Who's Larry?
Ooh, I could buy this. What is the Robux dispenser? Okay. Oh, where's the buttercup? Buttercup. There's a buttercup. There's a buttercup. I'll go buy that. Since this is all. I like Bee games. Like Bee Storm already spent like most of my Robux on. Yes. Sell it. Wait, what? Why did I only had 4? Oh wait, did I eat the whole thing? It's because eating the buttercups. No. Nom, nom, nom. I think I've got at least some buttercups. This guy's bomb, bomb, nom, bomb, nom.
Why put it in the house?
Because they give you money. I need money.
Is that Roblox?
Nom, bomb, nom. I'm inside the flower. What is happening with this game? That is just weird. You see the treasure chest up there? I'm gonna go there. Do 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 do. Do. Join the group for daily rewards. Oh man. Ooh. Give me that, man. The hive? First, let me go get this thing. Money. Bro, like, give just 10. Can I go inside the hive? Ooh! Ooh! Whoop! Oh, that's cool. I have to say, this game is already cool. That's what you get. This is what you get, man. I think.
You can buy it? You can't buy it?
I can buy it? But, wait, what? Robux dispenser? Nope. Okay, never mind. What's this? Free mouse. Quests, achievements. Yay! Side quests. So I'm almost done with the buttercups. Let me go get this last buttercup. Oh wait, what? I can't. Do 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 do. Yeet!
And you forgot to put in that.
Did I finish my quest? I think I didn't. Nom. Nom.
This is brown. It's a brown bear right here.
Oh, I see brown bear. Bro, I'm going for Larry's quest. I'm like biting the flower. What
And
is...
Larry, correct.
I'm already finished with the
I'm
quest,
Larry.
man.
His name is Larry in Paper Card Flash.
Yes, Paper Mario Card Splash is the best game in the whole world.
Yeah. It's the
Well,
best.
it must be the PCB, and then it gives me 100 coins. I have all the buttercups I need. Come back soon, please. Okay. Okay. Let's go flying. Do do
Can we go to that
do
place? Can we
do.
go to that place?
I need money, Yuan. And I'm poor. Hello, anyone? I lost four of my roses. Get them back. What? No! Please, God, no!
That's 100!
Bruh! No!
Wait, did you find Daisy?
There's only 2 bears in this place. I'm gonna go...
No, there's 3 bears. There's one black bear.
Oh yeah, black bears are here. Do 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 do. How small be
I can't see black bear.
Else I'm in big trouble. This guy's name is Jerry, by the way.
Oh, Jerry, friend, and
Daisies are just
crazy.
So
Oh,
these people are
no, I found Daisy. These are Daisy, the big
Yeah,
ones.
I need to go get some money. Okay, capacity to drone. Oh, I'm a drone now. I got a new beat. Oh wait, I need this much. Oh my. And yeah.
How many coins do you have?
Okay. Daisy.
Yeah, I told you it's a Daisy.
Wait, what? Just bites him and he thinks he's cool about it. Bruh.
It's lagging. The game is lagging.
How is the game lagging you on?
Yeah.
Bite.
No.
Oh, I need to get like 10 daisies, man.
How many coins? How many coins?
10 daisies.
How many? 10 daisies.
Yeah, that's even longer than I need.
Yeah.
Bite. Bro, that's creepy. Just biting this off.
Do. If you know they put in the house.
Bite.
Oh, I saw brown bear. I saw brown bear back. And do you open the treasure?
Oh man. I was like, we can get a good view of it though.
This is so cool. Better than this.
This is the Meadows one.
Huh?
It's the Meadows.
Meadows? Who's Meadows?
The Meadows.
Meadows.
Don't have enough money to buy capacity.
Can we get the big chunky drill?
Oh my god, why am I going so fast, man?
I realize.
Nom. Wait, what? Oh yeah, it just changes. Nom.
Oh,
Nom.
that. No.
Bite.
Stone. Deliver.
Oh yes, this guy has a new quest. Hello there, little bee. You might get 5 more sweet buttercups, man. This man is just crazy. He just wants buttercups. See,
Yeah.
Wait, that guy just ate the whole buttercup. I just saw a guy who ate the whole buttercup.
Yeah, that guy's black and gray. He looks black.
No, they're eating my daisy. What? You stupid man, bro. Buttercup. Man, that stupid guy.
He ate your thing.
I'm just gonna like, dip it and then just get out of here. There's so many people just stealing my buttercups. I wish I was in a private server.
Yeah, it's
Buttercup.
It's like only one player.
Buttercup. Yeah, like just no. There's only one player. Oh man, you freaking kidding me?
Deliver him.
Deliver it and then go back fast. Do. Nom. Are you lost? I asked for 10 days. I need 1K honey, bro. This man's just crazy. Damn.
Is it or is it only 2 bears? There's 3 bears on the.
I know. I said. Destroy flowers, bro. This guy's creepy and crazy.
Who?
Like daisies. Okay.
Daisy. I'm Daisy.
I need to get one more buttercup. Bite. I'm like biting it as hard as I can. Bite. Bite. I know what I'm being stupid, I know. Bro, this guy just keeps asking for the same things. And he must be the BTB. He's a reward for your help. Oh, I'm getting so much moolah.
How many money?
Moolah.
How many money you have?
He's so happy. Man.
How many money you have?
300 and something.
105.
Bite. 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 Is that mine? I think that was mine. Who took that?
Maybe it's him.
Do.
And one big chunky bit.
Bro, I only have $3 left.
Bro,
Can I kill the daisies now? Oh, I can almost kill the daisies.
This is a big daisy. This is a big daisy.
Bro, you see that, man?
That was a big daisy.
I just need to upgrade twice more and then I'm done. I'm like, bro, I've almost killed this whole daisy. Kill. I stole this guy's life. And one more thing to everyone who's watching. 3 more minutes until the thing's gonna run out. Yeah.
What run out?
The timer's gonna run out because the max is bite. Not bite. It's
Nom.
bro. It takes 4 since I bought it so bad. Let me go see what's the next capacity. I need 150. Okay.
51.
150.
No, 51.
This guy said 10 daisies. So, wait, what? I'm a killer bee. I thought it said killer bee. That would just be creepy.
And he dies.
Oh.
He's.
I can kill bees.
You can kill bees? How do you know?
I can't. I got achievement and I don't care because I'm trying to click pollen. Cool. Nom. Bro, his face is inside of that. What is happening, man? He's like inside of it.
I think this game is broken.
He's kind of broken, you know.
Yeah,
that's something for sure.
8. This is at 4. Deliver the house.
Deposit that for now. Oh my god, I forgot I had not more than enough money. I was like just paying attention to like class or something. I just need 210 to get the 50 so I can one shot what is it, daisies. Why can't I eat this flower? I got 1 more minute.
Well, why is the flower is daisy?
Yeah, you got 1 more minute, people, until the recording's finished. So, wait, what? I can one-shot daisies already? Wow. I can one-shot daisies. Bro, that is the best. Oh my god, this rose is gonna take a long time. What? We're gonna watch some other game thing.
Oh, can you want Zach? Can you want Zach?
No, we're watching We're Talking. Oh, he's like bonking his head in it. Oh, bonk. Oh my god,
I want
eat it.
I want flower.
Bro, he was trying to finish the game. 29